troublemaker. If you call him Wahala woman, Wahala.
Yes, come on. Amadi, if you move on to me now, Amadi. Hey!
They go back to village. Carry this your bag, go back village.
Amadi, you lie. You see me? I am not going anywhere.
You are going somewhere.
I go nowhere.
You go somewhere.
Amadi, I have come to stay.
You see this place, you no go feast there. You no go ever feast there.
Amadi,
make you go back to village.
Amadi is for better for worse, sorry.
Here will they do better for us.
Okay.
I don't leave you for that better. Find worse here. Now I make I start Gateman for you. So just they go back, carry this money.
Come on, carry
this money.
Amadi.
Come on your nyash for there.
Amadi, I'm not going anywhere.
Come on your nyash for there.
I am not going anywhere, Amadi. If I fall on the ground, Amadi. If I fall on the ground, Amadi. Hey.
Okay. I go add on 200, it go be 620. Carry and they go back village.
It's not even up to the money I came with, but let's make it this one first. I am not going anywhere.
You must go.
Amadi, I am not going anywhere.
You go come from here, go.
Amadi.
I'll break you.
Amadi.
I'll break you. I'm telling you now. Go back to the village. Madam, when they come. Oh my God.
Babe, what is the problem? Your mind seems to be far from here. What is going on?
Babe, I'm sorry. You know, my God, like something very, very funny happened earlier today. I don't know how to describe it.
Do you mind to share?
Hey.
What is it?
Maybe it's about Amadi and his wife. It's not something serious though. Just that she walked in, saw me, and mistook me to be Amadi's mistress or something. Without even allowing me to explain myself, this lady went off on me and started raining all sorts of abuses on me.
I don't get it. How come?
Babe, it was crazy. Like, I didn't see it coming.
She did what? Eh?
It's not that serious. She has apologized already.
Yeah, no. I think both of them, they need to leave my house this minute.
No!
I'll send them out!
No, babes. Oh my God, come on. It's not that serious. She didn't know who I was at first,
Okay.
So she actually thought maybe one of Amadi's mistress, and then she went off.
You are one of Amadi's mistress. I don't understand that. Even at that, baby. Listen.
That's why it's funny to me. It's funny, babes. Calm down.
Even at that, baby. I don't get it. Did I employ Amadi to come here with his family?
Babe, calm down. That's my fellow woman you're talking about, okay? I do understand her perfectly. She did it out of jealousy, and it comes with love. Listen, she must have missed her husband so much, and that's why she came. It's not something to worry yourself about. Let's just give them maybe a few days or probably a week.
Okay. Is that what you want?
Of course. It's not something serious. Why are you getting worked up?
It's fine. Okay. You win.
Of course. I always win. All I do is win, no matter what. No matter in my bad, I never give it up. Amadi, why are you touching me like that now? You just made my heart skip.
Only me go feel make your heart skip. I don't been they use eyes they find you since. My man tell me say na here. Na ain't go there.
If you didn't find me, you no see me. You know Mr. No one see you. You know go come out here before Madam go come out.
No, they fear.
I beg you.
Madam and Oga just come out. Na me open gates for them when they come out. So not only me and you na in the. No, me and you, but that one na matter for another day. I say make I come see you. So for me, the thing say, I say make we know how we go discuss about this your matter. Make we know how we go do am.
Which one be my matter? No be my matter, na our matter. Because now you cause am.
Na true, na our matter. Cause na me and you na in do am. It's with me and you. No be lie. But wetin I want talk be say I want make you just come out the pikin. Na him be the thing wey be say. Wetin happen? Why you dey cry?
How you go tell me say make I come out pikin? No be you give me the belle. I no fit come out am o. You don't know wetin abortion dey do. But you say you love me now. How you gonna tell me say make I come out belle? You don't know wetin abortion dey do. I no go school, but I know say abortion dey kill.
I know say no be me. I know say na me. And the love wey I get, now because I don't want to make we suffer. I don't want to make we suffer. If you look now, we get better job where we dey do. This same one way we dey manage. If madam find out, then they say we don't lose am. They go pursue us come out. Okay, money where we say all this money where they use go hospital, do at mental, anti-center, where the money they to give you, you know they. So now I don't want make you come begin the suffer, they do all those kind of things. Make we use now, we say the things still dey early. No waiting we fit do am. Now the best thing I tell you.
I know if you come up belle, now wetin I dey tell you be that I can't get rid of this baby. You should know what we'll do. Not
if you get rid. If you get rid of.
Come up belle, I beg. I no fit do am. I no fit do that kind of thing. I no fit. You won't kill me.
You no go understand though. You know get how you won't understand, but me I know say make you understand them now. Because when it starts, oh my God.
I no fit come out belle. I don't tell you finish. I no fit. Maybe we'll find another thing we go do. No be to come out time. I no fit come out belle.
Amadi! I'm not here. I know that I came to this house. I'm not supposed to be looking for him. Amadi! Amadi! Amadi!
Why you dey shout? I don't tell you say here Nigerian.
Yeah,
Nigerian.
Nigerian.
Shout for like this for here.
Yeah, Amadi, because I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
You see why I say make you go back village, you no go here. You're hungry. Me will never give myself food. Wait till me that. You don't hear me well.
What did you say?
Go back village. Go back village.
Amadi, I am not going to the village. Read my lips. I am not going to the village because it's for better for worse. So I am here to help you. Let us hustle together.
I don't tell you make you go back. See, okay. Who and Mama there for village? You leave Mama come here. They say you know
Amadi, me and you will go back to the village to take care of Mama together.
You and who they
me
go back?
Me and you.
Go back village. Make you go help
Amadi,
that
I'm
woman.
not going anywhere. Amadi, come and look for food for me. I'm hungry.
Who
Amadi,
goes?
Game up here. Who goes where? Amadi, there's no. Amadi, look for food for me. Let me eat. Biko.
Leave me make I do my work.
Amadi, I'm hungry. Fine food for me.
Make I clear road first.
Amadi.
Make I do my work first. Okay, you get bread where I remain inside. Make we go inside first.
Amadi, why you
for road for here. Wait me all this thing. Yeah, I get.
Amadi, look for food for me. Let me eat. I'm hungry. I will shout. Amadi!
how are you?
Madam, fine.
What about your wife? I haven't seen her since the first day she came here.
Oh, she dey inside. Me and her with a battle. Cause me I tell her make you go back village. Say here where she come, I no like am. She come dey vex for me. I dey tell her say you no fit stay here. Me wey dey here dey fight wetin I go chop for my own belly. You come again. Make you dey village. I go dey find way they send something. Since you don't know where I dey.
Don't worry yourself. Do not bother sending her back, okay? Let her stay here.
Madam, I don't want make she stay here.
I'm going to speak to my husband. We should be able to find her something doing in the city.
Madam, wetin she go do for village plenty o. Make she go back.
Oh, you need a helper, okay? She needs to be doing something to be assisting you little by little. Don't worry, I'll speak to my husband. We should be able to get her something here.
Okay, madam. You talk but okay. No.
All right, I'm going out.
You know.
Amadi, where is the food? Eh?
Wait first. I say maybe I come give you good news.
Amadi.
Maybe food.
Where is the food?
Wait, no be food matter. Na good news I carry come so.
Amadi, I hope that what you are about to open your mouth to say has nothing to do with Afoma go back to the village.
Wetin they do?
I hope it has nothing to do with it.
Wait first now. Person never even talk. You don't dey. Wetin they do you? Okay. Make I talk first now.
Okay, talk. One talk.
I don't think no. You make I talk now.
Talk, Kwano.
Madam, call me. You can ask me how work. Work fine. He asked me how my wife. Tell my wife then she dey inside. He can't say she don't discuss with Oga. Can't tell Oga. Say him beg Oga. Say this my wife will come make the start something where she go feed they do.
This is the kind of thing you're supposed to be doing. If you behave like this, we will not be having any problem. You know I don't like problem. Hey! This is the kind of thing I want to hear.
Again, wait again, I won't tell you. Nobody to tell you. I won't beg you. I beg. This family where they see so, they're very, very good to me. They know they na good family where I don't see be this one. I beg. This thing where they say they won't start for you. Make you no go there disappoint them.
Amadi, stop it. What kind of talk is this one now?
Because
no, Amadi, what are you trying to say now? What are you trying to say? That Afoma is a troublemaker, Aria. That I am a troublemaker, that is what you are trying to say.
See, now, where will they talk?
Amadi, please,
now my voice, now they down. Now you people, they hear.
Amadi, you will just do something small good thing. You will just use this your bad mouth and spoil everything. Because be going.
Me, I don't talk my own, no.
Me, I don't talk my own, no. I'm going to start work.
Good afternoon, ma.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, ma.
But you're vomiting.
I'm just feeling a little feverish.
Have you taken any medication?
I'll do that later.
What about lunch? Have you made lunch?
I'm sorry. I couldn't do anything today, ma.
Sorry about that. Come with me so you take money for your medication. Come.
You said you were getting lunch when I called.
Yeah, babe. Nothing has been sick. She couldn't cook anything. I came back and I was so hungry. I had to go get food for us.
Oh, she's sick?
Yes. I already gave her money to get some drugs.
Oh, you did that. But how can she go to the hospital instead of self-medication?
Maybe you're right. I'll give her money to do that tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Babe, I am actually worried because I don't know how I'm gonna cope. Now Ngozi is sick. If you go to the kitchen, everywhere is messed up. And considering the time I come back, it's gonna be difficult making dinner, you know. I'm just gonna be fagged out. I don't know how to cope right now.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, babe, I thought you said that Maddie's wife needed a job. Why not step her off and let her stand for Ngozi?
Oh wow, baby, that's so sweet of you. You know, I've been thinking towards that direction, but you know, I didn't want to say it to you first. Thank you so much. I am going straight away to Maddie to ask him to tell his wife to resume immediately.
It's fine, baby girl. Anything for you.
Thank you, baby.
Just do your thing. Interview her, then if she's fit, you step her up. Let her stand in for Ngozi till she gets better.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Alright. It's weekend already, so I'm waiting for you. Go and come back.
Wait a minute. You're waiting for me.
Uh-huh.
What devious plan do you have in your mind right now?
When you're back, you will find out.
You are so naughty, like, wait, please. I'm going out for a meeting. I do not need any interruption.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Stay focused.
Waiting.
Thank you.
Millie.
Babe, do not miss me so much. I'll be right back.
I'll wait for you, baby girl. Millie. Go and come back. I'm waiting for you, baby girl. Come back and take care of daddy.
You know go fit run away. I for my girl feeling like it. Before you see I for my don't see you. Her eyes see the sharp. More than FBI. Like mother, like daughter. Anything they want, they get. Whether you like them or not. Fadipa diabolic you. I for my don't land you. Obata go pochiri. Negwana for me. One nyensobu. Negwana for me. One nyensobu. I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she did, wahala, I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she did, wahala.
Ngozi, the girl where they cook, no well. So madam say make I beg you, if you go fit cook, make you for the help. Because she know if you do anything now.
I hope you told her that she's going to pay your wife.
Now me go tell her that one. Which one are you going to pay my wife? Eh?
Amadi, I just asked you a question. Hope you asked her, are you going to pay my wife?
Why I go tell her that kind of thing? The food where they chop here since you pay them?
Amadi, the food that's where you they chop here. You and Owogi, did you pay them?
Me, at least me I dey work, and me they open this gate. So why I no go chop?
Amadi, me at least I'm your wife. You should defend me. You tell them that you are going to pay my wife.
The only thing where you sabi for this life, you don't pass food and money. All the food where they chop, I don't know where they come out.
Amadi, I don't know
this
what...
money you don't chop big bread way big like this. Chop groundnut joint, drink Coke on top. Still, I know they see am.
Amadi, don't insult me.
My friend, make you go inside, make you go there, help out.
Sometimes I don't even know if you have sense. You don't have sense. You came to the city to look for money. This is an opportunity, a job opportunity. You open your mouth and talk. Tell them, hope you will pay my wife.
I've said my help. Say the girl no well for now. Make
Tell
you
them
help.
to help me and pay me money. You don't have sense. That is what you came here to do, to hustle. Ego na. They will tell you something. You just walk. Come and tell me.
Wait till I put myself in for how I carry do am. Yeah? That time they tell me pull out, I know do. Now see everything. Yeah? If madam, no say Ngozi get belle. Now him be say this thing where they fight for here, e don't finish now. They work, they go, the kind cutlass where they go use pursue me from here. Now him be say everything don't scatter. Eh? This one say if I call my wife, we suppose they help. This witch why come ordinary to cook, help the food where we say she go follow chop.
I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala go there. I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala go there. If we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If you call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If you call her troublemaker, trouble na fool. If you call her wahala woman, wahala. You know go fit run away. I found my girl fully licky. Before you see I found my don't see you. Her eyes in the shop. More than FBI, like more than
Afoma.
Chidi.
What are you doing here?
Here. Here is my cousin's sister's house. I came to visit her. What are you doing here?
For real? So you've not dropped that your useless and corny lifestyle?
What are you talking about?
This is my house.
Oh.
You see your life? So you are Madi's wife?
Yes. I'm about this wife. What other option do I have?
I don't get you. What do you mean by that?
You know exactly what I mean. You get me very, very well. Chidi, so this is you. Thank God in heaven that I have found you. You!
How are you? You're back already?
Yes, meeting was cancelled.
Oh, really? That's fine. You're
How
welcome.
have you been?
I'm fine, baby girl. I'm fine.
You don't look it. You look worried. Are you okay?
I'm hungry.
Don't worry. I'm going straight away to the kitchen to see what Afoma has done and make your dinner.
Oh.
Immediately.
Thank you, baby girl.
Don't miss me too much. I'll be right back.
I'm waiting for you, baby girl. I'm waiting for you.
Wow. Look how she arranged and tidied up everywhere. My God. This is what I'm talking about. This Afoma lady sure knows what she's doing. And I'm definitely going to retain her. Oh yes. Afoma it is then.
Informer, it be like say your brain don't dey leak. Eh? How you dey here? They talk to yourself. The thing what I tell you say, madam say me you can't do. You never do. And you stand here, they say how now waiting.
Amadi, please. I'm not in the mood right now. I'm not in the mood. I'm in the thinking mood, please.
Which kind of thinking mood? My friend, make you go inside, go ahead.
Yes, I'm in the thinking mood. Allow me to think.
You stand like this for GRE.
How are you?
Madam, fine. She done the warm up to come inside.
No, your wife did a very good job. I'm really impressed, Afoma.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Amadi, your wife is a good woman. She's going to remain here. I will retain her together with Ngozi. We'll pay her the same thing we pay Ngozi.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Please, can you come help me out?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. I will come.
All right. Let's go. Thank you.
Okay, madam.
If you see temptation, recognize them. If you see temptation, make you know. If you know get the ears, you get the eyes. Take and see us. Obialo bubu, obialo bubu, afama obialo.
Did you tell Afoma where my son stays at the city?
Mama, the truth is that I didn't plan to tell her, but she persuaded me and I have to tell her.
Then why did you lie to me? Why did you have to lie to us?
Mama, I did not lie to anybody. Me, Ugo Nwachuku. I can't lie. It's not possible.
Ugo or whatever they call you. You lied to us. You lied to us about my son's status. That was the reason Afoma could not wait a second to travel to the city to meet him.
Mama, I don't understand.
You said my son is now a big man, that he has a mansion in the city.
Mama, if it's this one, Mama, it's true. Mama, I did not lie. Amadi, your son is now a big man. If you see his mansion, very big mansion. See, Amadi should come back to this village and contest for local government chairman. I will vote for him. I am already campaigning for him. Amadi,
hold it there. Next time for your own good, before you give out information, try to verify it. Thank you.
Mama, if you like, believe it. If you like, don't believe it. Amadi, I know, is a rich man. Very big rich man. Look at mansion. Look at mansion. Look at Amadi. Amadi was walking like this.
Nice.
Oh, really? You like it?
I love it.
Oh, wow. I'm happy you do. Afoma made it. Yes. She's so hardworking and she's such a good cook, you know.
Oh, really?
So I want to retain her. Yeah. To be helping Ngozi out in the kitchen and on some house chores too.
Babe, don't you think the decision is so fast?
Fast? How? No, I don't think so. Amadi, her husband, has been with us for so long. He's no longer a stranger here. So, they're like family to us now. Yeah. Besides, Ngozi can't be doing everything.
It's okay. Let's eat then.
But babe, that was strange though. Why did you say that?
Nothing. I was like, she just came and it's nothing. Let's just eat, babe. Let's just eat. Babe, eat. Eat this one.
Why? But I'm eating.
Just eat. It's nice. You know that you're not going to stay here with us. You know, right? No matter how hard you try to impress my wife, I will not allow you to live here with us.
Well, Chidi, I have nothing to say to you now.
Yes. Because you have nothing to say. You have no reasons to stay here with us. I want you out of here. Did you hear what I said?
Chidi, I'm not going anywhere. You can't take me out. You know why? Because God by himself has already organized our meeting. So we cannot do anything about it. They say what goes around comes around.
Nothing goes around. And nothing comes around. You do not belong here. I don't want you here. So no matter how hard you try to impress us, you are not going to live here with us. I don't need you. Get your things ready. You will leave this house tomorrow.
I'm not going anywhere.
You will leave this house tomorrow. I have said it.
Okay.
Yes, I will take you out of my house, alive or dead.
Ha! God has already brought me here. No going back. I even say. I am not going anywhere.
Sweetheart, what are you actually saying?
What I'm saying is that I cannot keep the two girls. Afoma should leave immediately. Ngozi gets herself.
Wait, come on. I'm actually surprised at you. Because we already agreed that Afoma should stay. Why this sudden change of mind?
Well, I gave it a second thought. I cannot pay two households.
Okay, it's fine. If that is the case, I wouldn't mind paying Afoma's salary.
And why are you agreeing this with me? Why are you agreeing this with me? My say is final. I am the man of the house. She should leave my house.
Hey, is that why you're raising your voice at me? Like, do you have to shout at me? It hasn't gotten to that level.
That girl should leave, and that is final. I have the final say. That girl should leave my house.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, what is wrong with you? What do you have against Amadi's wife? You're beginning to sound like you guys know each other from somewhere or something. What has the young innocent girl done to you?
And what sort of question is that? Huh? My annoyance is that you are arguing this with me. I am the man of the house. I have the final say. Don't tell me what to do in my house. She should leave my house.
Alright, it's fine. Babe, I'm sorry. Okay? I didn't mean to make you angry. I didn't mean to argue with you, okay? Are you still angry with me?
Oh, yeah, I've heard you. It's fine, babe.
It's not fine. You're still frowning. Babe, come on. It's me. Okay, listen to me. I've heard you, but all I'm saying is, I know you're considering her salary. I'll take care of it. It's fine. I won't make it hard for you.
I know you have the money to pay. But I'm the man of the house. Respect my decision, please.
Amadi, I said you should leave me alone now. Okay, leave me alone. What man can walk out?
What make you do this? You dey shout for here. What did they do this? Eh? What did you make her leave you alone?
Amadi, I said I don't want disturbance. Leave me now.
You used to do this thing since yesterday, and I don't like am. Yesterday night where could they catch me while I want cuddle? What do you do? I hold you, you just they come on my hand. Why you go do like that now?
Why you want cuddle? Why you want cuddle? I said I don't want to. I don't want. I was feeling hot. So is it by force?
They know they tell me you don't want because I money I use marry you for a papa house. No, they look me for head because hey, you long past me. They tell me say you don't want. You don't want now waiting.
Oh yeah no. Oh yeah, come and carry me now. Carry me now. It's by force. This is by force. Carry me. Yeah, I'm this morning. No. Leave me. Let me use my head to think. What is it now?
See, if now so you want to do am now, you go back to village. First boss tomorrow morning. You enter village.
Look, the one that used to scatter my head is whenever me and you were arguing. Don't mention village. Afoma is not going to the village. I will not go.
You see, this thing where they tell you what to do, they do head like this because they long past me. Make you stop am. Make you stop am. This small job now where we say you get now, you don't enter your head. You don't enter your head. If it can't be me, where be chief security for this GRA. What you gonna do?
Amadi, Amadi, please. I am trying to arrange something. I'm trying to use, you don't have sense. Me, I'm trying to use my sense, but you're not helping me. What is it? Now leave me.
Sense? The only thing we're there for this your sense what they see. Now money and food. You don't finish.
Amadi, you are underrating me. You are underrating Afoma. But don't worry. Very, very soon, see my plans. It will start manifesting step by step by step by step. Don't worry, you'll see it.
All this thing where you just keep her, they go up and down. Because this work where you there. Abi? Me, you tell me where I leave you. No problems. Go there, hold. Okay. No wahala. I no go talk. That time where you know well, my mind just dey do because I been think say madam don't go know wetin happen.
Amadi, I'm still scared because I still feel like she's suspecting me.
Then make I tell you, make we comot this thing. Make we comot am. So person go figure rest of mind.
Amadi, I'm not interested. I feel like something will happen to me in the process. I can't.
Nothing go happen. Now just bobo liche. If we miss bobo liche drink, you no go even know say you get belle the following day.
I'm not fit. Besides, I'm not happy with you. You carry your wife go keep for village. Come sit the one they use me. That kind of thing no good now.
No vex. Say I don't beg you. Na long story. Make you no vex.
You don't beg me. Shebi na beg go comot the belle. Wetin go happen to the pregnancy wey you give me? You tell me say you don't beg me.
But if you go agree, make you agree this thing while I talk. Make we do am. Make we do am. Instead, if when money come, when everything does settle, we go find way. But now make we for remove am. Tension dey high. You no go here.
I no fit. In fact, I dey go tell your wife.
No.
Okocha, what are you doing here?
I dey find you. I dey find you for everywhere.
Who were you talking to? Because I'm very sure I heard voices.
Nangozi. I dey ask am if she see you. She can't say no. Say she no see you. She converse. They go inside.
I'm here now. So what is it?
Make we go inside. No be here we go there talk. Make we go for our room talk.
Day in day, apart to the blue, Afoma the nagging wife. She is troublesome, child. So
fine. Girl, thank you.
So how is your husband?
My sister, he's still at work. What about you? How was work?
Work.
It's fine.
Excuse me, ma. The water.
Okay, drop it here.
Okay. You're welcome, ma.
Thank you.
It's fine, you can go.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
You can go.
Okay, ma.
Don't tell me she is also your house help.
You're very funny.
It's not laughable. It's not funny.
Hey, listen. She's Amadi's wife. Though I've employed her to be assisting Ngozi, who hasn't been feeling well lately.
This person that just left here, Amadi's wife?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see her nose piercing?
Nose.
Do you mean Amadi your Gateman or
Of course. I don't get you. Girl, listen, you need to stop. This lady is very hardworking and a very nice person. Okay? This is what I need. I can't be everywhere at the same time. You know how busy I am.
I see.
Drink up, girl.
You just have to be very careful because I've seen things in life. A lot.
I don't get you. Where are you driving at?
Be careful, Choma.
Yo, don't worry yourself. I'm fine, okay? I know her. She's a nice woman. Believe me, you'll get to like her as well. Meanwhile, you promised to take me out tonight. So where are we going to?
My favorite spot.
It's on you, girl.
Sure.
If you see temptation, recognize it. If you see temptation, make you know. If you know get the ears, you get the eyes. Take and see us. Obiano bubu, Obiano bubu, Afama Obiano bubu. Jezebel, Ochimaguba. If you give them chance, make it fair. Child, Afama Obiano bubu. This girl, Afama Obiano bubu. Hey, Jezebel.
Amade.
Oga.
Amade.
Oga.
How are you?
Oga deal.
I can see my wife is not yet back, right?
Yes.
Okay.
He's never come back.
Please wash my car for me.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Use this to buy car wash. Then this for yourself.
Oga.
I'll see you later.
This man a correct guy. Correct guy. The man don't just get problem for this life.
She came to take her, give her chance, make it fair.
Come in.
Better things here, they're sweeter for me. She like better things. Well, no give her chance here. Okay, make what give her. You get back one my She is a desperate woman.
What are you doing in my room dressed like this?
Nothing. Okay? I just came here to say welcome.
Now get out. You heard me? I said get out!
Why are you getting angry? What did I do?
I said get out now! Get out. Get out. I said...
Babe!
Hey, babe.
Thank God your wife is here.
Babe, don't mind her, please. I want her out of my room now. Babe. Babe, can I talk to you? Babe. 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 What is going on? Eh? What's the meaning of this? Give me that key now. I said, what is the meaning of this? Give me that key. Give me that key. Give me that key now. I said, give me that key. Give me that key. No. Stop this. Can you stop this? Leave me.
Babe. Babe. Are you okay? You were talking in your dream, saying leave me.
Oh. It was a dream, babe. It was a dream. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
It's okay, baby. Okay? Let's sleep, right? I'm fine. Yeah, baby, it's fine, okay? I'm fine.
I'm fine. And how are you doing? How is everything going there? Are you serious? Hey! Hey! Bia. Play your card very, very well. Are you hearing me? Play it very, very well. I trust you now. You will not fail. You will not disappoint me. Don't worry. Everything is going to be okay. I promise you, you will not regret it. Yes, believe your mother. Yes. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh. Take care of yourself. Oh. Yay. Okay.
By the time I am through with my plans, you will know who is who.
Who are you talking to?
Me? No, ma.
Okay.
That dream was so real. Afoma must leave my house. My wife almost suspected there was something going on between us when I asked her out of the house. But I must find a way to kick her out of my house before she ruined my marriage. She must leave. Who is there? Didn't you hear me?
Good morning, sir.
I said, who is there? And you're already in. Don't you have manners?
I'm sorry, sir. It's just that your wife insisted I come and call you because breakfast is served.
I've heard you go. I said leave. I've heard you. Go! You don't know if it. What sort of rubbish is this? Alright, babe.
Babe,
What's up?
what took you so long?
I'm sorry, I was attending to something.
Okay, your tea is made already.
By who?
Who else? I don't guess. Who else? Babe, you begin to act strangely these days. Who else will make your teeth nummy?
I'm sorry, I just wanted to know if you were the one that made it.
It's fine, I made your tea myself. I hope it's not too sugary.
Not really, I'm fine. I'm fine. I think I need some hot water. I need a few of it.
Okay. Are you busy? I want you to come with me. There's something I want you to say right now.
Hey, can you calm down, babe? I am busy. I'm trying to sign some documents. What's the problem?
Babe, please, I'm not going to take your time. I just want you to see something. It is very urgent. I just want you to see something right now. Please
What
come
is
with
it?
me.
Can you talk to me? What is it?
Babe, I'm not going to take much of your time. Please, can you come with me?
I hope our former has not said anything to my wife. It's okay.
Let's
It's
go,
okay. It's
please.
okay.
My own don finally finish. Waiting again na I remain now. Madam don finally find out. Na him be say everything wey I dey fight for, you don finally finish now. Wetin I tell you know say if they tell people something they no go ever agree. I tell this girl make we do this thing. She no gree. Na everything na for my head na everything don land. Everything don cast now. Wait nobody go fit tell me say no be village people. No be them be this thing. Na them. Cause I just dey live my life jeje. Village people and this thing wey I carry for legs. You know the hear word. The only thing wey I go say again na this.
Ngozi, before my husband and I would like you to repeat exactly what you just said to me.
Please forgive me.
I will slap you. I need you to say exactly what you said to me. Repeat it.
Huh? I'm pregnant.
What? You're pregnant? How come? You're pregnant for who?
She refused to say.
You're pregnant for who? Talk!
Please. Speak, idiot! Speak!
He's my friend.
Your friend? And who is your friend?
His name is Emeka. I visit him sometimes.
Wait a minute. Ngazika, you mean to tell me that you've been having an affair under my nose? Outside this house? Hey! Sweetheart, you heard her. It's now obvious we are no longer safe in this girl's hands. No, this girl has to leave before she kills us. You are leaving my house immediately. Now!
Please don't send me away.
Please kill you there. Who should not send you away? Do you know how sad your parents are going to be? Do you know? I am going to send you away. When you get home, you tell your parents exactly what got you sent out.
Hey.
Shame on you, girl. Shame on you.
Please don't send me away.
No, you
please,
are leaving.
Ma,
As I wouldn't want to be held responsible if anything bad should happen to you. Big shame on you. I am highly gutted.
Sai, I heard that Ngozi is pregnant.
How that one take concern me?
It concerns you. It concerns you because I had Drogima. You are my prime suspect. Because it is just the two of you in this house before I came. Oria.
Okay, so you know hear when she talks saying Emeka give am belle?
Emeka gini.
You know hear that one, abi?
Emeka can hear anybody on Aya Drogima. Aya Drogima. Okay. Let me go and see.
Oh, come on. You see this thing where they talk say no be me give this year belle. You see am. If they go outside, go they do another thing. Who be Emeka now? Who be Emeka? You see am. You see. Anyway, I talk am. You see this my mind. This my mind no dey lie to me. You know they possible. The only time where this my mind lie to me now when he tell me say Sunderland go win a PSG for their home and I go play am away. Now only be it. But you see this my mind, you know they lie. I know say you get some kurukere waka wey you dey do for this house. You see this one wey be say they go send you message. The other time when they say make you go buy shelters and fruits for Oga, wetin happen? Just for a shop here, you go there stay for 2 hours. They ask you say this shop no open, this one open. And later go there come me say the shop open. So na another man na him give you belle. He come talk say na me.
Which other man?
Who you dey ask that one? Who be Emeka? Who be Emeka?
Not be you give me belle. I lied to them so that I will not implicate you. You know never I want to free.
So you in the Gateman place was supposed to, it no make sense. Now I say, make we think I'm no sense.
Hey, shut up! I said shut up!
Babe.
I've told you what to do. So go to your duty post and discharge your duties accordingly, right?
Babe, what is wrong with you?
Hey.
Listen, Amadi is actually making some sense here. He's saying the truth.
Get out.